If you're tired of juggling multiple kitchen gadgets or struggling to make the perfect meal, the Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus 7.5 Quart promises to be the game changer you've been waiting for. Combining the best of convenience, innovation, and versatility, the RIO takes everything we love about Instant Pot's best-selling Duo series and enhances it with new, modern features designed to simplify cooking and make your meals faster and better than ever. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent trying to get dinner on the table in a flash, or someone who simply loves to experiment with new recipes, the Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus is an absolute must-have for your kitchen. Key features of the Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus 7.5 Quart. Number 1. Revolutionary 9-in-1 multi-cooker. The Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus is a 9-in-1 electric multi-cooker that combines multiple kitchen appliances into one space-saving unit. It offers pressure cooker for fast cooking that locks in flavors and nutrients, slow cooker for low and slow cooking that tenderizes meats and enhances flavors, rice cooker for perfectly cooked rice every time, steamer to steam vegetables, seafood, and more to perfection, sauté for quick browning and caramelization of ingredients, cake maker ideal for baking delicious cakes with ease, warmer keeps your dishes at the perfect temperature, sous vide for precision cooking that locks in flavor, sterilizer great for sterilizing jars and bottles, making it a useful tool for canning or baby items. This wide range of functions makes it the perfect all-in-one solution for busy home cooks who want versatility without cluttering their kitchen with multiple appliances. Number 2. 7.5 quarts of cooking space. 35% larger cooking surface. The Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus features a 7.5 quart cooking capacity, making it larger than most other Instant Pots. The 35% larger cooking surface offers ample space for cooking larger meals, like a 5-pound chicken, a 9-inch cake, or even 3 racks of ribs. This makes it perfect for families, meal prepping, or entertaining guests. The wider inner cooking pot is even comparable to a 12-inch skillet, which allows you to prepare more food without overcrowding the pot. Number 3. WhisperQuiet Steam Release. One of the standout features of the RIO Wide Plus is its WhisperQuiet steam release. Instant Pot has reimagined the traditional steam release valve, making it much quieter than earlier models. With this feature, the steam release is not only silent but also more controlled, diffusing steam more safely. This makes it ideal for those who want a quieter cooking experience or have a sensitivity to noise in the kitchen. Number 4. Guided Assistant and 25 Smart Recipes. Cooking can be intimidating, especially when you're trying a new recipe. The Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus helps remove the guesswork with its step-by-step guided cooking display. It guides you through each phase of the cooking process, making complex recipes simple to follow. Plus, it comes with 25 smart pre-programmed recipes that auto-adjust cooking times and settings based on the dish you're preparing. These preset recipes include dishes like Number 5. Easy-to-use controls. The Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The angled control panel features a large, clear message display and a cooking progress bar, making it easy to monitor your food and make adjustments as needed. The intuitive interface helps you navigate the settings quickly, so you can focus on what matters most, cooking delicious meals. Number 6. Stainless steel cooking pot with tri-ply bottom. The cooking pot is made from stainless steel 18-8, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The tri-ply bottom helps achieve perfect sautéing and even heat distribution, which is essential for browning ingredients and ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection. It's also designed for easy cleaning, making it hassle-free to maintain. Number 7. Dishwasher-safe cleanup. No one enjoys spending hours cleaning up after cooking, but with the Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus, cleanup is a breeze. The cooking pot and lid are both dishwasher-safe, top rack, making it quick and easy to clean after you finish preparing your meal. Simply toss the parts in the dishwasher, and you're ready for the next culinary adventure. Number 8. Instant Brands Connect app for more recipes. In addition to the pre-programmed recipes, the Instant Pot RIO Wide Plus comes with access to the Instant Brands Connect app, which provides a treasure trove of new recipes for iOS and Android users. You'll find an ever-growing library of innovative and delicious recipes, so you can continue to explore new flavors and cooking techniques. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.